Happy 80th birthday, President Rodrigo Duterte. Today, we celebrate a leader whose courage, dedication, and love for the Filipino people have shaped our nation in countless ways. Your unwavering service and strong leadership have left a lasting legacy, and for that, we are truly grateful. May this milestone birthday bring you good health, peace, and happiness with your loved ones. May you continue to be blessed with strength and wisdom in the years ahead. Maligayang kaarawan, Tatay Digong. Maraming salamat sa iyong pagsisilbi at pagmamahal sa ating bayan.